Hello, welcome back. Today, let's discuss a new topic. In the previous video, we calculated the grand total salary as well as total employees. Today, let's improve this report. We want to add some conditional style. There is no problem. Okay? But before watching this video, I strongly recommend you to watch our previous video. In the previous video, we calculated grand total salary as well as the total employees. Let's switch back to the design mode. Today, what we want to do, we want to add custom style to that report based on the salary. Okay. In the first step, let's create custom style. As you can see, we have custom styles. Right click on that, then create style. And here, let's add name for that. For example, top salary. You can add any name, there is no problem. Okay. So, in next step, let's add conditional style to that top salary styles. Okay. Right click on that, then create conditional style. And here we have conditional expression. And let's define that expression. So let's write a simple expression, a simple condition here based on the salary. Double click on that. Then we have compare to method. We want to use compare to. Let's initialize that with new java.math.big decimal. And here we want to write, for example, value 40, 100 greater than 0. Okay. So you might have a questions why you are using the compare to method. Generally, in Java, we have two types, primitive and non-primitive. Whenever you want to compare primitive types like integer, double, short, long, you can use like greater than, less than, greater than, or equals to, less than, or equals to, there is no problem. But whenever you want to compare object's value like big decimal, you have to use the compare to method. This method comes from Java and you can use in JasperReports also, there is no problem. So let's finish that. Thereafter, what we want to do, we want to add, for example, some style to that. You can add background color, foreground color, transparent, and so on. You can add different style to that, there is no problem. But we want to change only the text color. Just click on that. Okay. We want to use that color. So this was the second step. Thereafter, let's apply that style. Just select the salary. And here we have advanced. We want to find style. We have style. Okay. We want to select this style, which is top salary. Let's save the changes. So let's preview that to see the result. As you can see, we have a red color here based on the condition. Then we have a red color here and here also. That is good. So today we completed how we can add conditional style to the report. You can add several conditional as well. There is no problem. If you have any questions, you can write them in the comment. Please like, subscribe, and share my videos. That is enough for today. Have a good day. See you in the next one.